Raila Odinga and his wife Ida joined the faithful of St. John Everlasting Church for prayers ahead of the general election.
Kenyans know what decision to make, and that's why we have asked that we be guided by the right principles, that we should pray for peace for this country. We want tomorrow to be a very peaceful day. We want Kenyans to come out of their homes and walk to the polling stations and cast their votes peacefully, and then go back to their homes and wait for the results.
Raila once again criticized sections of the international media which he said are keen to see Kenya descend into chaos.
Yesterday, I made a statement about a particular individual who had interviewed me and misrepresented what I had said. I did not want that to be taken as a blanket cover. Not all foreign correspondents are misreporting this event. I want to plead with our fellow Kenyans, please don't molest foreign journalists and correspondents. They are the eyes of the international community. Please allow them access to information that they need so that they can report correctly to the rest of the world.
The power, the cloud.
Bishop Joseph Ogutu offered special prayers for Raila and his wife. Wahida Sheikh, Nairobi County.
To walk in victory, to walk in the fear of